Hi, this is Michael Nesbitt on behalf of Dan Green and the Bike Marketer team. I'd like to say hello and I hope everyone is extremely well today. I'm going to be doing another review and it is on a product called LeadSell. Now this is the product here and there's a fantastic thing within the product is they give you private label rights. So what this means is you get a suite of products to sell yourself. Now I'm going to go into what private label rights means, but in a nutshell, it means you can have your own suite of products that you can do anything with and sell for any price that you want. On top of that, if you don't want to change the products, you want to keep them exactly the same, what you can do is you can just sell them directly from LeadSell. You don't have to build any sales pages, you don't have to have any hosting, you don't have to do anything. It's all just one click and then you can sell the products. You can put links through on them to your pages, to your website, and you can sell them from there. It's no problem whatsoever. But the fantastic thing that is in this is, as it says here, private label rights. And you can sell a suite of products for any price you want. You can even change the products and make the products your own, which I will go into now. Now, the reason private label rights is a good thing is because it does cost absolutely thousands. When we develop products here, one, it takes ages. It takes weeks and weeks and weeks, and if you do it from scratch with a completely new idea, it does cost literally thousands of dollars. But what you can do with this, if you want to pay someone just to change one of the products within LeadSell, you can change the covers, you can get them to tweak the software. Might only cost you $100 or maybe $200. It won't cost you a great deal of money, and then you would get your own piece of software, and you could be like with the other gurus and you could launch this software out there and you could make real serious money 100% of it, which is the fantastic thing. Now there's dozens of products in there, so you may not want to do that. You may just want to sell them direct from LeadSell. That's absolutely fine. But with PLR rights, it is quite phenomenal. All you have to do is change the name, you can tweak the software a little bit, change the cover designs, suddenly you've got a whole new product and you can sell it for any price that you want. And there is a large advantage to that. And if you do it with one, then you could do it with all the other, because there's dozens of them in there. Now, the thing with private label rights is what it does is it gives you the rights. I'll read this here so you completely understand it. When you purchase with private label rights, this means you can alter the content and resell it. So it's normally costs a great deal of money. Now just reseller rights is normally around the $97 mark, and full PLR rights can start anywhere around $350, $400, and anywhere up to, I've seen it up to like $900. But we've got some benchmarks here so you can get an understanding of how expensive it normally is. So with them being dozens of products in here, this is a massive thing that would normally cost you probably thousands and thousands of dollars, but you've got it with these dozens and dozens of products within LeadSell. So you can really take advantage of that. Now, the type of rights you give buyers the most freedom with original content. For example, if you purchase an ebook, you can sell the ebook and its rights. In addition to that, you can completely rebrand, as I mentioned with the software. You can rebrand, you can alter, you can repurpose. It has been an absolute godsend for our business as well. It's my favorite type of rights, because you can look at a piece of software and think, hold on, if it only had this, it only had that, and if it did this, and that might be something that could completely change the kind of software that it is. I'll go in and I'll find some sales pages for some of the software that are in LeadSell, and I'll show you exactly what they are and what they do and how you could possibly change them as well. So it's a massive bonus, and you get PLR rights free with dozens of products within this. So this could be a huge thing for you. Now, it does all work just with one click as well, because there's lots of all these products are in there, and it's very simple. I'll go into the software and I'll show you how simple it is just to create pages and do various things just to sell them on. It's not a problem at all. It's really straightforward. So if you want to do that, that's great. But I would strongly suggest the PLR rights is the big thing. So with one click, it's 100% automated inside LeadSell. Instantly automate everything you need to make money online. So these products sell online anyway, so you can just sell them as well, and you get 100% of the money. Dozens of built-in apps which you can sell and profit from 100% straight away. You can generate done-for-you sales pages and offer the pages for these apps. Now there's actual pages within there, the sales pages. You just need to put, if you put your affiliate link linking to things, you can just change the design if you want to, and then you would have a sales page ready to go straight away for the various products. You can create social media signals. This is all linked to social media, so you can share all of this right across social media platforms. So this creates all the traffic for you. And there's automated delivery and support for the apps. Whenever the sale is, and there's zero work to do for you, it even hosts everything for you. Now, what LeadSell does is, as it says here, it was set out to allow anyone to profit from selling their own product. So you can change the product if you want, but what you can, if you don't want to do that, you can just sell it directly from there. But I would strongly suggest looking into PLR rights and how you can actually make money, just tweaking things, even changing the design cover, come up with a new name, resell the product again. You just get a simple designer or go in yourself and change the name of what it says on the graphics, and it's very, very straightforward and simple to do. So I think you say you can never worry about creating your own product again because the sales pages are in there. You don't have to pay a developer or a designer. You can do it just by selling straight from LeadSell. There's no need to even have your own website. You can sell and get a rock solid profit straight back for you as well. So you can sell and the money would just come straight into your PayPal account. There's no skills needed, no experience needed, no money involved. It's 100% free, and it's easy to use, and 100% works every time. So you don't have to pay per product. You buy this LeadSell, and all of the products within there are all yours to sell, and you get dozens of them. You can give them away if you want to get traction and build a list. You can use them for bonuses. You can do anything you want with them. It's a really fantastic offer. It's a one-time payment for LeadSell, and all the dozens of products that are within it, you get yourself. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into a very quick demo. I'll get one of the LeadSell team just to run through a few things, because there's a few fantastic features in there that could be really useful to you. But the main thing that I would stress is the private label rights and why that is so good for you. And this is possibly why some products are similar to others, because people have seen the product and go, ooh, if it only had this, this, and this, then I could sell it for this amount. And you can sell the products for anything you want. So what I'll do is I will go in and show you a few things, and I'll get one of the LeadSell people to run through some other aspects of it. So I'll do that now for you. So here I am within the LeadSell software. I've just gone straight to the page with all of the products, so you can get to see exactly what the products are. As you can see, you might recognise some of the names of some of these pieces of software, and there's quite a few dozen of these. So there's quite a lot within there. So what I will do is I think I've got a sales page somewhere here. Now, if you look at this one here, Webby App, it turns Webby App turns any website, any WordPress site into a fully fledged mobile app for iPhone or for Android. Now, I have the sales page up here. So this is Webby App. So you know that it's a product that looks great. You know it's a product that could sell. You know it's a product that many people may want. And as you see, it's got tons and tons of stuff within here. Now, what you could do is and there's the price that it normally sells for. What you could do is you could basically change the name, call it something else, change the color, and you could get someone to add a few tweaks to Webby App, and you could call it, I don't know, just call it another name. You could call it WP Webby App or something like that. Something very, very straightforward. You could call it New Mobile App or something like that. And with the different tweaks that you could make, you could add your shop or something along those lines, something that the software doesn't have when you go and have a look at it, and then you'd get you a whole new product. So that's how simple this could possibly be for you. Now, if we go back into pick another one, what's the one below? VidPix. I'll just pick. Oh, I've got a sales page up for VidPix as well. So this is VidPix Pro. This is another one where you could just basically tweak the software, or you could just change exactly what it looks like, and all of a sudden you've got a new piece of software that you've got rights to yourself. You could call it VidPix XX2 or something, you know, or 2 VidPix or VidiPix, something along those lines. And it will be a piece of software that you could then sell on or you can just sell the products the way they are. You could sell them the way they are, but I do think the PLR rights is a massive thing for you, because a new piece of software, although some of this software only sells for about $22, $22 is fine when you're getting 100%. Really think about it. If you've got 4 sales a day, you're making $100 a day straight away. If you want to sell it for $47, there is that old adage of when people sell cars. There's the old story of the guy who had the car outside the garage and it just wasn't selling. It was only up for a couple of $1,000s and it wasn't selling. You had it washed, you had it valeted, you put it up for double the price and it sold the next day. So there is an element of that psychologically. You could redo, you could call Vidipix or something like that, change the colour, stick it up for $47, and even if you sell a few, you sell a few. That's just great. And there's so many products within here you could do that with. It is really, really useful to you. Now, I'll go back and I'll go into the other parts of the software so you can see. I'll go to the main dashboard. So this is the main dashboard. And you've got create deals, total visitors, total clicks, conversion rate. Along the top, you've got a title along the top. Create deal, customize deal, all deals, all custom deals, my assets, support and training videos. Training videos would be something the way I would definitely go and have a look. I always stress to do that first. It is important to know what you should be looking at. And if there is something in particular that you do want to look at, then the training videos could really, really help you with that. So what you can do is, if you've got your own products that you want to sell, you can create your own deal within the software as well, and you can build your own page, although our page is already built in. And as you can see from the format, you can put various things in. There's video content, there's even a checkout and everything, and you can do that. What I will do is I'll get one of the LeadSell people to go through how simple that is.
So in this section there are formats and layouts from like what you want the deal to look like. Let's just say I want the video to be on the left side and stuff like that, and share section right here, and then header image right up. Let's just go ahead and proceed with this. Let's just add some information that this is the deal data. You don't have to be technical to know this stuff. This is simple basic stuff. You need to add an image as a header. So let's just add some image. I have a header image right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that. And the next step is I'm just gonna go ahead and add a video. So I have a video embed code right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and paste this video embed code right here, and for the background image I'm just gonna go ahead and use a color. Let's just keep it light gray, and this is where you put your affiliate link of your buy button. So I don't want to show my affiliate link right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a website right here. So this is my website, and now this is the deal price. You can view the deal at any point from this button right here, but let's just complete this form and see how it looks. The regular deal price and the deal price. The current deal price is 34. It used to be 67. Now this is the expiration date of the deal, when the deal will end. Let's say it will end on 11th of October. And this is the buy button. It should say get access now, and it should be blue. Now I can add tabs, but I don't want to. And let's just say how it looks. Okay, so this is how the deal looks. You can share this deal right from here, and you can see how it looks. This is the regular price, and this is the deal price, and this is showing you save 49%, and this is the button that will take you to the your affiliate link. So this is the timer. Now this is all mobile friendly. So
thanks there to the LeadSell team for that short little demo regarding the LeadSell software. Now what I'll do is I'll go into the bonuses, and then I will go into the gift. The first bonus for today is regarding PLR rights, if I can get my words out, and it's PLR repurpose class. Now it's a video class, and it shows you the different aspects of how you can repurpose things with PLR rights, and it's for videos, although there are a lot of pieces of information within there. There's graphics, there's cheat sheets and everything, just to tell you the ins and outs of that. And that's the first bonus for today. And now to the second bonus, which, as I mentioned a lot in the intro and the demo there, to do with rebranding when you have PLR rights. It's a very, very important aspect, and you can have your own products and make 100% on everything. You'll make a great deal of money. You can have any price you want as well. So this is 2 videos to show how you can rebrand things using copy and how you can rebrand things using graphics, and there's various other pieces of information within here. You've got graphics and cheat sheets and the video course as well. And now I'm going to go to the gift for today. And now to our gift for today, then I'll go into a bit of a recap of all of the software. It's a fabulous gift for you for today. It's all about the power system to do with PLR rights. And you've got the profit strategy, the affiliate strategy, membership strategy, how to work a funnel with it, and all of the different information here. This could be extremely useful to you with LeadSell. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a recap of everything and go through all the things that we've spoken about this morning. So now just a recap for today. The product is LeadSell, and as I'd like to stress again, is the PLR rights is something that is normally very, very expensive, and this could be brilliant for your journey in internet marketing, and if you have an online business, it could really, really make a massive difference to you. I would say on average, even if there was only 10 products here, which there isn't, there's more than that, and if it normally, PLR rights would normally retail for around $400, that means you're getting about 4 grand's worth of PLR rights, which is really fun. Private label rights is very, very important. To get 4 grand's worth just like this within one product is a massive thing. Now if you want to do that, that's fabulous. You can do that. You can relabel and redevelop and redesign everything, put little tweaks on the software and make them your own and sell them for $47 or $67 or whatever you want to sell them for. If you don't want to do that, then you can always just use the products that are in there and link your affiliate links to all the sales pages and do it that way. That's a one-click version, and it's a very, very easy way to do it. So that's the product for today. It's called LeadSell, and I do believe it could be fantastic for you, especially if you're a newbie to this industry. Private label rights is a massive thing. To have a suite of products like that, if you've just started selling online, this could be a real godsend for you. My name is Michael Nesbitt. On behalf of Dan Green and the Bike Marketer team, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching a video review again. Please click the notification bell below, like and share this video on all of your social media platforms. It will be a real help to us if you do that, so please do that. Please take the gift for today, even if you're not going ahead with purchasing this. All we like to do is help and try to make your journey in internet marketing more successful than it is at the moment. And I will speak to you very, very soon. Thanks very much again.